nadula kay na si Eric, gulpe lang eh. So katuan sa balaya bla. Puli siya. Ari kay kibuton ta siya. Rasa. Beautiful ka. Malay nun. Bard, dula ka. Biyaan mo ko pa tao. Client si mo.
Busy ka man mo.
Okay mga paps, so arit natin subong sa crib ni Eric. We're gonna talk business here and you know, creative stuff.
Ano, juice.
Grind. So before that, ano kami na kape-kape kami na yan. Happy!
Happy, say hi, oh.
Happy!
Happy, can you turn around and say hi? Look, there's a camera.
Tulog ka na kay Tito!
There's a camera, baby. Look. Oh, my bird. Oh, my bird. Oh, look at the bird. It's flying. Look at the worm. It's flying.
Ayun na, ginawa lang sang tatay. Pero alin nga. Hey! Oh, si Baby Happy, sumo actually may dengke na siya subong. Pero okay lang ah. Paskog niya rasa ya. Why man hilanat?
Wala. Nagilangan siya before, but you know.
Wala. Why na dengke na? Bisan COVID pa no? Ari ya ginadengke ka man part. Ginaamag ka man sang lamong part. Yay! Say something. Teka pati na yan. Sino mas gwapo? Si Daddy o kon si Tito? Tito.
Daddy.
Tito.
Happy!
Wala.
Alright.
Siya gali ya. Okay, very good. Very good. Sige, agree na lang po.
Neutral.
Aper. High five.
High five.
Ba may jump pa? Sige, sino gwapo? Si Daddy or si Tito?
Oh, baby happy. Wala na part.
Ano na yung part?
Kaso mga naboard.
Sige, play some more. Ay, di si Mati, pakita sa akon kung kabalo na siya kung magbike eh. Taon tagid be. Okay. Mati! Tina, sige na, pakita na sa akon ng biking skills mo be. Din ka na? Wala na siyang ano kanina?
Training wheels.
Tara na. Wala na training wheels. Be? Woo! Oh, balo ka na mag-no hands. No hands.
As I can do like this.
No legs. Kuha mo no legs.
No
Okay.
material.
That's not possible.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow. Oh. Pang X Games.
Happy, stay here. Happy, stay here. 2 days.
Very good. Dua pa lang kadlaw nga toon. Mayo.
Pero itong pilak man siya.
Natural yun na ya. Hindi ka na magamit training wheels. No training wheels for now.
I learned this in 2 days.
2 days? Okay. You know, when I was younger, I learned that in 3 hours.
Yeah.
Yes, 3 hours.
Yeah, you learned it in 2 hours.
Yeah. Ha? Ano? Sino?
I learned it in 2 hours.
2 hours. Yeah.
Half a day?
No, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Ikaw ya, 2 days. Me, 3 hours. So
I'm like my dad, except it took longer. Yeah, it's like an extended hour.
Okay.
You know your Tito is a vlogger? You tell him about your
Yeah,
vlog as well.
I remember that.
Oh, you did? You see his
Yeah,
vlog?
I only have 1 video because my mom doesn't post a lot. And she's always busy too. Pretty sure you're videoing this right now.
yes, of
So
course.
hello YouTube.
Yeah, say hi.
Hello, YouTube.
Hello YouTube. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how I bike. It's pretty trash because I've just started 2 days ago and then I'm really fast already.
You know what's gonna be funny if you fall down? Careful with the car, man.
Grabe may abilidad yaman siya pero pila?
2 days.
2 days. 2 days? 3 hours.
2 hours.
Oh. Paway ka.
Batang
Mate.
90s.
Kami sa mga bata ni Eric, kayo mga content worthy. Sige.
Alright.
Nice. Okay.
Very good, baby.
Oh, very good.
What are you doing? You're sweeping. Okay.
Sweep the garbage. Okay, sweep the garbage. Oh.
Baby, how old are you? Baby Abby, how old are you?
I'm 2.
years old.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up mga paps? So, alin ako subong din sa balay. Nag-brown out. Okay? More power, more brown outs. Kuha pa ko kapanyapon. Na hulat ko pa diyon. Candlelight dinner. Hamon subong. Brown out. So, ang kids, ara itong kids, oh. Ang kids, nara sila. Dulong-dulong ba? Oh, ang kids, ari din. Nakapungko lang sila din. Okay ka lang, Dales?
Can you not point the flashlight at my face?
Wow, okay. Aring isa de. Li, tulog ka? Li! Ibi ka? Okay, brown out subong.
I told you not to put the flashlight in front of my face.
Okay. Mailang kay hindi maginot subong. Ito medyo cold ang weather. Pero kung mainit ne, ay, aguntugid. Siguro mga pila ka minutes mabalik man yung kurente. Tani lang. Okay. Okay, damo ka ko brown sa internet. Oh. Oh, inita. Oh. Ayos na, oh. Okay, so hoping nga magbalik ni Dugay-Dugay. So that's it. Thanks for watching.